Have you ever had a great idea that it seems too good to be true? But then, when you're about to reach it, failure comes out of nowhere and smashes it. You get frustrated and angry. But failure is not your enemy. In fact, it's the best teacher you will have. That's right, because you always learn something from it. Sometimes you are so focused on not failing that you forgot what is important. People often say we should avoid it, that failure is bad. The truth is, most of the times, failure is what you need to advance. And though you can fail many times, what really matters is what you do after. How you overcome fail and go on. Yes, sometimes it can be very daunting, but you should not be frustrated, because failure is where all the ideas evolve and become the best ideas ever. And although it seems your idea is out of your hands, thanks to all that experience, you learn something very helpful and you can use it to reach your goal. So accept failure as a necessary step and use it to achieve success. But mostly remember this: every failure gets me closer.